everyone, welcome back to Car Review. Let's talking about 2025 Chevy Nova SS. Design and features. Sleek and aggressive exterior design inspired by Lamborghini. Red color with a glossy finish. LED headlights and taillights. Sporty wheels with high-performance tires. Carbon fiber hood and trunk lid. Luxury interior with premium leather and suede seats. Advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen display. Premium sound system. Performance. 6.2L V8 engine with 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds. Top speed, 200 miles per hour. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift mode. Rear-wheel drive with a limited slip differential. Safety and technology. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Forward collision alert and automatic emergency braking. 360-degree camera system. Heads-up display. Wireless charging and smartphone integration. Interior and comfort. Heated and ventilated seats with massage function. Dual zone climate control. Premium leather and suede interior trim. Power adjustable steering column and pedals. Memory seats and mirrors. Exterior dimensions. Length, 192.5 in. Width, 74.5 in. Height, 53.5 in. Wheelbase, 110.5 in. Fuel economy. EPA estimated 15 miles per gallon city, 25, mpg highway, 18 miles per gallon combined. Thanks for watching Car Review. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe to more exciting car reviews and contact. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.